Welcome! In front of me I have IMILAB W01 and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on the phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your phone, or rather your watch, needs to be paired with your phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open some kind of music player. For example, I'm gonna open the YouTube, but you can use anything like Tidal, maybe Spotify, anything that plays music, and it should work. Once you open the music player, you can wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button, and after you wake up the screen, swipe left, or rather right on the screen, my bad, to open the menu, then scroll down and find the option called music. Tap on it to open the music controls menu, and here we can control the music on our phone. We can press the play and pause button to play and pause the music, like this. We can tap on next button to go to the next song. We can press the back button to go back to the previous song. We can also adjust the sound volume on our phone by tapping on the speaker icon, and then we can tap on the plus and minus buttons to adjust the sound volume. So we can tap on plus and minus to adjust the volume of the sound. And once you're done controlling the music, of course, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.